Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce you our study room. So this is the Humanities building at Massey University Palmerston campus. And let's follow with me. I will introduce you. It's upstairs. Follow with me. This is our studying room. So let's come inside. So to see that what facility we have for studying here at Massey University. Welcome. Okay. So you see. Hello, you see, this is our studying room. At Massey University, we are studying a master degree at Massey University, and each studying room we have two big LCD TV, and we have computer, we have microphone system, and the lecturer can use that to prepare PowerPoint slide to instruct the student about the topic they want. For example, this is a big television screen that the lecturer will enter the ID number and the password of every student in the same with library or in the lecture room. We can also log in our own ID number to use the facility. For example, I will enter my ID number. Then the password. Yeah. So this is the big screen we use for lecture, we use for workshop at the room. So wire wire for setting up. We have also the whiteboard here, the line. Yeah, here we go. For example, I would like to open a PowerPoint slide. We can go to Massey script. Or we can go to directly the folder we have already. For example, here. So you see, we have the PowerPoint slide already for studying, for teaching, from our lecture. Very convenient, very big and convenient for our study. You see, yeah. And remember that you should log out your account to secure for your ID number. Yeah, it's all done. So here is full facility for our studying, and let's see around. Very beautiful. So we have many tables here for those students in this room, and you see overall it's really comfortable and a big room for our studying and for our lecture. See you next time.